Our solar system is a busy place, teeming with a variety of celestial bodies. We have 8 planets orbiting the Sun, each with its own unique characteristics and paths. There are also countless asteroids and comets, each adding to the dynamic nature of our solar system. But did you know that objects from other solar systems sometimes visit us? These are not just any objects. We call these interstellar objects, and they are fascinating because they come from beyond our solar neighborhood. They travel through the vast, seemingly endless space between stars, carrying secrets from distant realms. Some of these objects are small, like asteroids, barely noticeable as they drift through space. Others can be huge, like planets or even stars, making their presence known with their sheer size and gravitational influence. These interstellar travelers are mysterious, often leaving scientists with more questions than answers. They offer clues about distant worlds, potentially revealing the conditions and materials from other parts of the galaxy. Scientists are always on the lookout for these objects, using advanced technology to track and study them. They want to learn more about what our solar system is made of and how it formed, hoping to piece together the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Recently, they started to wonder if these interstellar visitors might have changed our solar system in the past, perhaps even influencing its formation. Imagine a giant object passing close to the planets, its immense gravity pulling on them. Its gravity could have pulled on them, changing their orbits and potentially altering the course of our solar system's history. Our solar system formed billions of years ago. It all started with a giant cloud of gas and dust. This cloud began to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it spun faster and faster. The spinning motion flattened the cloud into a disk. At the center of this disk, the Sun was born. The Sun's gravity pulled in more and more gas and dust. The leftover material in the disk started to clump together. These clumps grew bigger and bigger over time. Eventually they became planets. The rocky planets like Earth and Mars formed closer to the Sun. The gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn formed farther out. Scientists used to think that the planets stayed in the same orbits where they formed. They believed that once a planet settled into its orbit, it remained there for the rest of its existence. But now we know that's not true. Modern research and advanced simulations have shown us a different picture. Planets can move around. This is called planetary migration. It's a dynamic process where planets shift their positions over time. The gravity of the planets can affect each other. These gravitational interactions can cause significant changes in their orbits. For example, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Its massive size gives it a powerful gravitational influence. It has a very strong gravitational pull. This pull can extend far into the solar system, affecting other planets and even smaller objects like asteroids and comets. This pull can affect the orbits of other planets. It can cause them to move closer or farther away from the Sun. Planetary migration helps explain why some solar systems look different from ours. Each system's unique gravitational interactions shape its final structure. Some have giant planets very close to their stars. These are known as hot Jupiters. These hot Jupiters likely migrated inwards after they formed. Their current positions are a result of complex gravitational interactions. The study of planetary migration is important because it tells us about the history of our solar system. It reveals the dynamic processes that have shaped our cosmic neighborhood. It also helps us understand how other solar systems form. By studying these migrations, we gain insights into the evolution of planets and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Did a giant reshape our solar system? A new study suggests that our solar system might have had a close encounter with a giant interstellar object long ago. This intriguing hypothesis is based on simulations and models that show how such an encounter could have dramatically altered the orbits of the planets. This object, possibly many times the mass of Jupiter, could have flown through our solar system billions of years ago, when the planets were still forming. The gravitational influence of such a massive body would have been immense, potentially causing significant disruptions. Its gravity could have stirred things up like a cosmic whisk, mixing the ingredients of our solar system in unexpected ways. This stirring effect might have led to the unique arrangement of planets we see today. This encounter might explain why the orbits of the giant planets in our solar system are a bit elliptical and tilted. Unlike the nearly circular orbits we might expect, these planets have paths that are more stretched out and inclined. They are not perfectly circular and flat like we might expect. This deviation from the norm has puzzled scientists for years, but the idea of a giant interstellar visitor provides a compelling explanation. Scientists believe this encounter happened early in the solar system's history, during a period of intense planetary movement. This was a time when the young solar system was still settling into its current configuration. This research gives us a new way to think about how our solar system evolved. It opens up exciting possibilities for understanding the dynamic and sometimes chaotic processes that shape the planets and their orbits. A close encounter with Scholz's star. We know that interstellar objects can pass through our solar system because we've seen it happen. A few years ago, scientists discovered a star called Scholz's star. This star passed relatively close to our solar system about 70,000 years ago. Don't worry though, Scholz's star didn't come close enough to disrupt the planets, but it did pass through the Oort cloud, a distant region of icy objects that surrounds our solar system. This encounter likely sent showers of comets into the inner solar system. These events remind us that we are part of a vast and dynamic universe. The ever-changing cosmic landscape. The universe is always changing. Stars are born, they live for billions of years and then they die. Planets form around these stars and sometimes they get ejected into interstellar space, becoming wanderers themselves. Our solar system is not isolated. It's constantly interacting with its surroundings. The study of interstellar objects is important because it tells us about the diversity of objects in the universe. These objects carry information about the places they come from. They can tell us about the conditions in other solar systems. In the future, we will have new telescopes that can find even more interstellar objects. Who knows what we will discover? Perhaps we will encounter objects even stranger than we can imagine.